constantly defeated, threw in the towel, said, forget this whole thing, forget Kindle. Friends and family telling us this stuff was a scam. Friends and family tired of us just always asking to borrow money. Can I have $20? Go out, do this and that. Just a little bit of gas money. And then, so we abandoned our Kindle dreams, we abandoned our dreams of becoming a successful Kindle author. Ended up at this place right here. So this is Sonic's America's Drive-In. This is Marty up here at the top right corner.
After I went and working for the deli, I would go to Sonic to help Josh out. And we would be there until like 2 a.m. And as you can see, I did not want to be there, but we were sharing a car at the time, so we just had to make things happen. I was taking all these pictures. I took this one, I took that one. I didn't take that one. And of course, he took himself for it.
Yeah, I don't know what I was drinking. I got something.
Yeah, he looked real happy in this picture, though. Like,
okay, not the place that you want to be, guys. This is something that we didn't want to do. We told ourselves, we started in the beginning, at this place, here's a hair cedar, I was here. We just took our efforts, put it together, and started investing in the Kindle. That was our motivation. We were super unhappy with this place, like we spoke about earlier. Just tired of our bosses telling us what to do, clocking in and out, being there till 2 in the morning just to close the place up, just to come back to 12 to 12 again. It just wasn't the lifestyle for us. Yes, go ahead.
I was gonna say I worked there for 3 days, and I quit the day they had a field trip going to Sonic, and the managers and everybody was screaming and crying. I looked back and this guy was just focused on flipping burgers, and I was just smiling. And he asked me, well, why do I have a smile on my face? I'm like, well, this is my last day. I'm happy because I'm quitting today. So went back to the devil.
So after that, we told ourselves this motto right here, once an entrepreneur, always an entrepreneur. We had that itch inside of us, we were making money, we did a little something with it, we went to this place, and we always had in the back of our minds, if we were making about $500 a month and didn't really know what we were doing, what if we really implemented the stuff that we were studying at the time, the courses that we were going through, the people that we were learning from, how far could we really take this business? We told ourselves, I can do this over and over again. On our own time, we started buying these courses and learning, immersing ourselves as much as possible in email marketing and brand building, how to find these high best-selling niches, how to reach out to different authors and connect with them. Surround ourselves with like-minded people, and at this point, that's when me and Marty had teamed up and found a lucrative niche that we continue to grow and expand on.
So I don't have any deli pictures up here because I wanted to delete that part of my life. I wanted to really just get that guy. I'm not the guy in the deli literally picking lots of chickens and stuff like that. That's not me. And I wanted to recreate my life, have a different vision for myself. So I went and I just swiped all the deli stuff away, and this is me, this guy right here, who I am.
How many of you have a part of your life that you would like to delete? Yeah, awesome. You're in the right place.
And another thing I can mention, we teamed up because we actually couldn't really afford investing on our own. We were just started with $250. That's all we could bring to the table. Like a job and stuff like that. We weren't just making enough money. So when we worked together, we were able to put $250 to the side so we can start investing into it.
So after that happened, we went ahead and created our own blueprint for success. We went from $500 to making 5 to 6 figures consistently every single month. So these are just some of the screenshots that we've been able to, or some of the months that we've been able to have. So 70,000, 82,000, 250,000 between January and May.
Another thing I want to point out, that we put these right here because you can't see it right here, but this is 2016 right here, right? 2017, 2018, and we're keeping our 2019 and 2020 for the April event coming up, so you guys can really see that kind of stuff. But the reason I want to point that out because we've been literally generating this for years. When you put your books out there, you're getting long-term income, generational income. This is not a one-time thing. I'm getting quick money and then I'm leaving. No, you're building a long-term passive income money-making machine. You get paid while you sleep for years.
These are some of the reads and the dashboard that we were able to get also. So we'll get into this later, but just to quickly explain it, Amazon actually has a program where it's called Kindle Unlimited. And not only can you get paid out on somebody like purchasing the book, but if they have Kindle Unlimited, they can get the book for free. And the way that you would be paid out is every time they flip through that book, you would get paid out for the pages read.